Hello my retro friends! Today it's a really special day, I think. We're gonna see something I've never seen before. And on top of that, it's on ZX Spectrum. And of course this is on the real hardware, so my ZX Spectrum Plus 2 is there with div IDE to load the games and programs and demos. So let's get on with it. Let me show you this beauty, because this is really special. Really special. Cubix. Okay. Now stop tape and press any key. Of course it's not tape. No? Here you have it. Let's turn off the light so it's getting a little bit better picture here. And yeah, we can zoom in a little bit. And I have done this sound mode, so the sound of my ZX is clear and perfect. And we're going to use the Sinclair joystick interface. Oh, it's so dark. So, now this is, I can tell you that right now, this is a kind of quasi 3D effect that is mind-blowing. It's so cool. I'm into many kind of retro computers, but I've never seen something quite like this. So yeah, it starts as like a fun game, I would say. And then this 3D, so just hang on with me, because it's not the 3D is not there from the start. So yeah, here we are. So I'm using the joystick up for jump. Oops. Climb the tower. Okay, we're gonna climb the tower. Here's how you can jump on that character. And this one has like these spikes on his head, so don't jump on him. Come, take the box. So if you put the action key, you take the box. And here we have to put it here so you can get up there. And have to go to the edge, then you can jump like this. Okay, then we need that one and one more. Right, it'll be that. Okay, I forgot. Okay, no problem. Put it back. No! Oh, we need that one. Why did it not? Aha! And then we go to the edge. Yeah, like this. Now, you see 3D? Now, hold on, people. Hold on. Nei. Nå så. 3D vision unlocked. Look now. This is crazy. Wow. It's insane. It's insane. This is insane. Look at that. I'm mind blown. I'm mind blown. Okay, we can not get past here. We need a stone or something. Ah, How's that? Now I feel really stupid. You cannot take that one. You cannot take that one. But anyway, I'm not good at playing this. Not play this so much, but I just wanted to show you. And this is like this checkpoint. So you start from here when you die. You don't have to start all the way from the beginning. Thank good Lord. Please, people making Specky games, C64 games, Amiga games, whatever, make some checkpoint or some save game, whatever, because starting from the beginning, you know, I'm too old for that. It's just fucking boring, and it's I don't have time for it. So, very big. Here we can go down. If you put the joystick down like this, then we can go down. Now we are getting somewhere. Yeah, look at that. Now we're getting somewhere. But look at this. This is crazy. This is the most crazy things I've seen in a long time. And it's nice, smooth, just amazing. So people, download it, play it anywhere you can. This is just fantastic. Thank you for watching and see you.